Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make quiche. First, let's get that perfect crust ready. Using a store-bought pie crust saves a lot of time and effort. You'll want to blind bake it for about 10 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This crucial step prevents a soggy bottom, ensuring your quiche has a wonderfully crisp and golden base. It's the secret to a truly satisfying texture. Now, let's create that delicious filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of milk or cream until well combined. Add a pinch of salt, some freshly ground pepper, and your favorite herbs for extra flavor. Finally, stir in about 1 cup of shredded cheese and any pre-cooked ingredients like vegetables or meats. This mixture forms the heart of your quiche. With your filling ready, it's time to bake. Carefully pour the egg and cheese mixture into your pre-baked pie crust. Place it in the oven, preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's done when the center is set and firm, and the top has a beautiful golden brown color. A knife inserted near the center should come out clean. Once baked, let your quiche cool for about 10 minutes before slicing. This allows it to set properly, making for cleaner cuts and a better presentation. Garnish with some fresh parsley or chives for a pop of color and extra freshness. Your easy homemade quiche is now ready to be enjoyed. For other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.